The TP-Link EAP225-Outdoor is a professional outdoor access point designed for large, open areas. It's part of the TP-Link Omada system, which means you can control multiple devices from one dashboard. But the real question is, how far does it actually reach? 200 meters, 656 feet, on 2.4 gigahertz. Up to 300 meters in ideal open space. But remember, this is an open line of sight conditions, no walls, no buildings. This makes it perfect for outdoor cafes, farms, school campuses, parking lots, CCTV camera Wi-Fi networks. Build quality, made for harsh weather. This device is IP65 weatherproof, dust resistant, rainproof, heat resistant, meaning it works in heavy rain, extreme heat, dusty environments, speed and performance. It's an AC 1200 dual band access point, 2.4 gigahertz.